Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one distribute with this one and this one distribute to this one. So if we do this way and we can simplify like this. And now we have the formula in here. So we put number 8 go in here. So 8 plus 1 we have number 9. And we have s to the power of 9 over 9. Similar for the second one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.